Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a Vercel project. Whether you're cleaning up old work or simply removing a project you no longer need, this process is straightforward and I'll walk you through each step. First, open your web browser and navigate to vercel.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Vercel dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Now take a look at your dashboard and locate the project you want to delete. Click directly on that project to open it. This will take you to the project's main overview page where you can see all its details and settings. Once you're inside the project, look at the top toolbar. You'll see several options here, but the one you need is Settings. Click on Settings to access the project's configuration page. This is where you can modify various aspects of your project, including its most critical settings. After clicking Settings, you'll need to scroll down through the page. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom section where you'll find the Delete Project option. This is typically placed at the end of the settings page since it's a significant action. Once you locate it, click the Delete Project button. A confirmation dialog will now appear on your screen. Vercel takes project deletions seriously, so they've added a verification process to prevent accidental deletions. The first thing you'll need to do is copy or type the exact name of your project into the field provided. Make sure you enter it precisely as it appears, including any capital letters or special characters. Next, below that field, you'll see another input box asking you to type "Delete my project." This is an additional safety measure to confirm you really want to proceed with the deletion. Go ahead and type those exact words into the field. Finally, once you've completed both verification steps, you'll see the Delete Project button become active. Click on it one last time to permanently delete your project from Vercel. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any important data before proceeding. And that's it. Your Vercel project has been successfully removed from your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.